I tried a free trading bot in my small account and I want to share with you my experience after 10 days.
I want to search the best gold bot on Google engine. The top suggestion I found is XAUBOT from ADAC Academy. As you can see, it has offered a free demo account, which shows they're confident in showcase their bot performance before any purchase. It is very important if you want to choose any EAs, you must sure that this bot working on demo account without paying any money to their company. Now, let's proceed to order a free demo account and test it with a small balance, like $50. I have my own account number from multi-bank broker. As you can see, this is my username and password, which I'll enter into the form. After filling out the form, I will click on Buy Now. Upon logging into my panel, I can download the bot file. This file is essential for running the bot on my MetaTrader 4 account. Next, I will check my email to find the license key from XAUBOT. As you can see, I have to copy it and paste it on the bot inputs. Now, with MetaTrader 4, I follow XAUBOT's guideline to install the bot. I will input the license key on the input of XAUBOT. Now, as you can see, there is one problem. I have to ensure that allow live trading is enabled. To diversify and see more trades, I'll add additional currencies based on the guideline, such as IUD-NZD, IUD-CAD, and NZD-CAD. This is a preferred currencies from XAUBOT company. For multi-level strategy, this is very important. So I will add the bot on different charts. If you check the guideline, you will see alternatively, I can write multiple symbol names and symbol input directly instead of adding the bot separately to each chart. Now I add the name of each currency based on my broker. It should be exactly the same name that you can see on your chart. Now that I have three symbols, as you can see, and I can close the other charts. Additionally, I want to run the scalp strategy also to see the whole performance of the bot after 10 days. I'll adjust some input parameters to align with my broker specification, including maximum spread, take profit, stop loss, and risk per trade. Finally, I run the scalp strategy on USD-CAD also based on the guideline. You can see the guideline that they give you some offer for currencies and configure it similarly to the previous one.
Now we are in 16 December, so 10 days passed and I want to share with you my experience with this bot. Despite of the support of XAUBOT, we should not use $50 account in their EA. But as a test, in a demo account, I tried this and I want to share it with you.
Now we are in December 16, 2023, passing 10 days since the registration date. I want to emphasize that the entire demonstration was conducted on a demo account, and it's essential to exercise caution when using an EA on $50 balance in any small balances. Let's delve into the results. The account was set with low risk, incorporating with a multi-level strategy and scalp strategy, if you remember. The result shows various trades, some linked to the scalp strategy and the others linked to multi-level strategy. Trades with stop loss are specifically associated with the scalp strategy. For a detailed breakdown, I will save as detail, so we can see the total trades starting from December 7 and last trade executed on the 16th December. Each trade is labeled with comment XAUBOT that you can change it in the input. I will make the detailed file available in the video description so you can check the result further. As you can see, the chart shows a significant increase in an account balance and it's reached to 70, around 74, with a great drawdown with this particular balance.
So this was my experience of using XAUBOT in $50 account after 10 days. definitely you should not use any other EA or also XAUBOT in $50 account, or you should not start trading by $50 account by your own trading skill. Definitely you will lose in this market. Just share with me your idea about any other EA that you want me to test it.